This is a very old, smaller half-inch spike. You can see it compared to a more typical 5/8 inch spike. I don't remember ever using a railroad spike to make anything. I'll use this to make a Tomahawk and do it in my own usual GS way. I've got the spike raised off the forge floor for easier grasping. I've hammered on a lot of mild and medium carbon steel, and this spike feels especially soft, almost like old wrought iron. I need to thank a bevy of good fellas for their generosity in donating to the channel. They are Ronald Woodruff, Anthony Watkins, Corey Backlund, and Matthew West. Very much appreciated. I also want to give a shout out to Jessica and Roy over at Christ-Centered Ironworks. Not long ago, they recommended a tong making video of mine, and it seems that really gave me a boost. They're doing good things, so check them out and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you find my videos worthwhile, please spread the word, share with others, and help grow this channel. Thanks to all. A long while back I had this idea for the slender punches, but I just never gave them an honest chance. The more I work this, the more I think that this is wrought iron, and probably won't make a very good edge tool, but I'll forge ahead. It's not just by hammer feel, but also visually. You can see on the front end where it looks like it has a long grain structure, something that you might see in wrought iron. At this point, I'm going to quench it and then test the hardness. Feels pretty soft on the front end. This old cheap file is easily removing material. The back end feels very hard, a bit of a conundrum. I'll hammer that nub off and then examine the steel. That should give me a good indication. Based on the look of the grain structure, this is not wrought iron, but carbon steel. As usual for me, I don't have the edge thin enough and need to do more grinding. But given the circumstances, I want to handle the tool first. This barely fits in my forge. I just splay that area a bit so the hawk can't slide down. I had some other ideas, but for this project I'll keep that spot simple for now. After hammering here, that tomahawk head is going nowhere. For those who know me, I'm obviously not a blade maker, and so for edge tool projects like this, I just hope to give you a rough blueprint, maybe a different perspective on how to do things. From there, you can take it to the next level, choose the right steel, grind and hone to perfection. So that's that for now. This is very small, but I think it has great potential. I'll do this again soon, but with a new known piece of steel, and I might try some other variations on this handle style. This very old weathered railroad spike, coupled with the unwelded steel handle, really gives this piece some character. Catch you guys next time.